Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you add, or in other words, how can you import audios from your library to CapCut PC. So it's super simple, and yeah, I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So after you open the CapCut PC app, you are just going to log into your account, and you can select media and just select local import and just click import button right here, and just looking for audio file from your folders. For example, just click open, and here's the audio has been imported to your CapCut. So just drag or just click add to the track to start editing the video. So that's how you can add audio, or how you can import your audios from library to your CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.